now I would like to introduce Ms. Namfuneko Majaza. I've worked closely with her from the Department of Trade and Industry. She's the Chief Director there, responsible for Advanced Manufacturing Unit, looking at Electrotechnical Unit, also responsible for the Aerospace Industry Support Initiative. And welcome, Mr. Simon.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you all. I'm very much excited that we are gathered here this evening with our African participants. This is a very, very historic moment for us here in South Africa because it arose as a result of the formation of the regional round for Africa for the first time. I think we need to give ourselves a hand. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you all and greet you again in the name of now the Space Mood Competition. I would like to specifically welcome name a number of people, important people who are here with us this evening. I hope we have here in our midst the Deputy High Commissioner of Nigeria, Mr. B.E. Achibong. Mr. Achibong, you're welcome. We also have Mr. Juma Bahati, representing the High Commissioner of Kenya. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our important people, our learned friends, our judges, who will be adjudicating on this competition tomorrow. We have an international judge, Dr. Tari Crispin. Dr. Tari is also the chairperson of the UN COPAS, United Nations Committee on Peaceful Uses of Outer Space, the legal subcommittee. That's Dr. Crispin Tari. We have Ms. Lizelle Carson. We have Advocate Kumatela, he has just joined in. We have Mr. Kim Goringer. Those will be our judges for tomorrow. Our judges are most welcome. In addition to that, we have the members of the Space Council. The Space Council, ladies and gentlemen, is a regulatory body that is based at the DTI and is hosted by the DTI. It's led by Professor and Dr. Martinez. He's the one who's running late. We have members of the council here, Ms. Ponzo Maruping. We have Advocate Sekule. I'm trying to look if I'm leaving out anybody. I must apologize in advance if I've left anybody. Linden Pretzel, my colleague, is also here. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have the staff of the International and Comparative Law in Africa, led by Professor Rika Duvet, with her boundless energy. Erika is here and the staff. Ladies and gentlemen, we have student participants from Kenya, from Nigeria, as well as from South Africa. And I would like to say that without these students, they are very important people for this event. Without these students, this event would not have been possible. So we are looking forward to see the winner tomorrow. I think the battleground is open. Last but not least, we've got another energetic team led by Johan Leroux as a CSIR. Johan and his team, Marie, Lulu, Raul, Terry. Have I left anybody? Everybody is here. They have worked very hard with the UP team for us to have this event today. You're most welcome, and I want to thank you all. To our visitors coming outside, I'd like to say to you, take off your jackets, relax, enjoy the evening, enjoy South Africa tomorrow. I hope you stay for the weekend. This is a free country.